Today we are going to start Unit 3 Financial Market Part 2. That is Chapter 7 Stock Exchange. In this lesson we are going to discuss origin, meaning and definition of stock exchange, functions and features of stock exchange, benefits and limitations of stock exchange in India, stock exchange trader, types of speculator, difference between stock exchange and commodity exchange, a recent development in stock exchange. Introduction. Stock exchange and organized market provide a place for the investors to buy and sell securities freely. The market offers perfectly competitive conditions where a large number of sellers and buyers participate. Further, stock exchange provide an auction market in which members of the exchange participate to ensure continuity of price and liquidity to investors. Stock exchange origin. Amsterdam Stock Exchange is considered as the oldest stock exchange in the world. It was established in the year 1602 by Dutch East India Company. Meaning of stock exchange. Stock exchange is an organized market for the purchase and sale of industrial and financial security. It is a convenient place where trading in securities is conducted in a systematic manner, that is, as per certain rules and regulations. It performs various functions and offers useful services to investors and borrowing companies. Stock exchange is an organized market for buying and selling corporate and other securities. London Stock Exchange, that is LSE, is the most popular stock exchange in the world, while Bombay Stock Exchange, that is BSE, is the oldest stock exchange in India. Similar stock exchanges exist and operate in other parts of the world. Definition. According to Hastings, stock exchange or securities market comprise all the place where buyer and seller of stock exchange and bonds or other representative undertake transactions involving the sale of securities. According to Husband and Dockery, stock exchange are privately organized market which are used to facilitate trading in securities. The Indian Security Contracts Regulation Act 1956 define stock exchange as an association, organization or body of individuals where incorporated or not established for the purpose of assisting, regulating and controlling business in buying and selling and dealing in securities. Functions of stock exchange. In our book they are given 8 functions. First one is ready and continuous market. Second one, correct evaluation of securities. Third one, production to investors. Fourth one, proper channelization of capital. Fifth one, aid to capital formation. Sixth one, facilities for speculation. Seventh one is seasoning of securities. Eighth, clearing house of business information. Now we'll discuss one by one. Ready and continuous market. Stock exchange is in fact a market for existing securities. If an investor wants to sell his securities, he can easily and quickly dispose them of a stock exchange. Correct evaluation of securities. The price at which securities are bought and sold are recorded and made public. These prices are called market quotation. One can easily evaluate the worth of one's security on the basis of these quotations. The lender can easily assess the worth of the security offered for loan. Protection to investors. All dealings in a stock exchange are in accordance with well-defined rules and regulations. For example, broker cannot charge higher rate of commission for their service. Any malpractice will be severely punished. Thus, stock exchange provides reasonable measure of safety and fair dealing in buying and selling of securities. Proper channelization of capital. People like to invest in the share of such companies which yield good profits. The saving of individuals are directed towards promising companies which declare good dividends over a period of time. But for the stock exchange, these savings are likely to be vested on share of unprofitable units. Aid to capital formation. The publicity which the stock exchange give to various industrial securities and their price and the facilities provided by it for their purchase and sale induce people to save and invest. Stock exchange thus ensure a steady flow of capital into industry and assist industrial development. Facilities for speculation. Speculation is an integral part of stock exchange operation. As a result of speculation, demand for and supply and securities are equalized. Similarly, price movements are rendered smoothly. Seasoning of securities. Speculators and underwriters hold for a temporary period securities issued by new companies. They unlock them when the market is prepared to observe the new issues. Clearing house of business information. Listed companies are required to furnish all important information relating to capital management, dividend distribution, etc., and forward copies of financial statements, annual report, etc., to the stock exchange. Features of stock exchange. These are various qualities of a stock exchange. Such qualities are enumerated below. Market for securities. Deals in second-hand securities. Regulates trade in securities. Allows dealing only in listed securities. Transaction effected only through members. Association of persons. Recognition from central government. Working as per rules. Specific location. Financial barometers. Now we'll discuss one by one. First one is market for securities. Stock exchange is a market where securities of corporate bodies, government and semi-government bodies are bought and sold. Deals in second-hand securities. It deals with shares, debentures, bonds and such securities already issued by the companies. In short, it deals with existing or second-hand securities and hence it is called secondary market. Regulates trade in securities. Stock exchange does not buy or sell any securities on its own account. It merely provides the necessary infrastructure and facilities for trade in securities to its members and borrowers who traded in securities. It regulates the trade activities so as to ensure free and fair trade, allows dealing only in listed securities. In fact, stock exchange maintain an official list of securities that could be purchased and sold on its floor. Securities which do not figure in the official list of stock exchange are called unlisted securities. Such unlisted securities cannot be traded in the stock exchange. Transaction affected only through members. All the transactions in securities at the stock exchange are affected only through its authorized broker and members. Outsiders or direct investors are not allowed to enter in the trading circle of the stock exchange. Investors have to buy or sell the securities at the stock exchange through the authorized brokers only. Association of persons. A stock exchange is an association of persons or body of individual which may be registered or unregistered. Recognition from central government. Stock exchange is an organized market. It requires recognition from the central government. Working as per rules. Buying and selling transactions in securities at the stock exchange are governed by the rules and regulations of stock exchange as well as SEBI guidelines. No deviations from the rules and guidelines is allowed in any case. Specific location. Stock exchange is a particular marketplace where authorized brokers come together daily, that is on working days. On the floor of market called trading circle and conduct trading activities. The price of different securities traded are shown on electronic boards. After the working hours, market is closed. Financial barometers. Stock exchange are the financial barometers and development indicators of national economy of the country. Industrial growth and stability is reflected in the index of stock exchange. Listen children, today we discussed stock exchange, origin, meaning and definition, functions of stock exchange, features of stock exchange. You must learn functions of stock exchange. Thank you children. Have a nice day.